In this tutorial, we'll be covering the basics of screen sharing and the Wyzant online learning tool. During the course of a lesson, you may want to show the other participant a document, screen, or program that exists outside of your browser window. In order to easily show the other participant your screen, simply click the screen sharing button in the top right corner of the tool. Using Google Chrome, you'll be prompted to install and then add an extension to your browser. It should only take a moment to complete. After it has successfully been added, navigate back to your online lesson tab and refresh the page. With the extension added, click on the Screen Share button again. Great. Now you'll be prompted to choose between sharing your application window or sharing your entire screen. We'll choose to share the entire screen since we want to display a program to collaborate on outside of the browser. While you're sharing your screen, you'll still be able to hear and communicate with your participant, even if you can't see them. When you wish to quit sharing your screen, you can navigate back to the lesson room and select the screen sharing icon once more. That's it. Thanks for watching. Check out more of these helpful videos to see how Wyzant Online will work for you.